Okay then, who's got red tomatoes? Rentita, going all red on me. Wonderful. And here we have beefy tomato, a beef tomato called Pyrus, or Burus as they would say in Finland. And look what's going on here. Glorious red tomatoes. And these ones are getting a blush on. Wonderful! However, my gourmand bit, even though we're getting a lot of tomatoes on there, are still green. And they're so heavy that they're almost breaking the stem. It's falling over. These are beauties. And the orange queen, we've got tomatoes, but they're not orange. Quite nice looking tomatoes if we get something from them. And these cucumbers, they just don't give up. Must have had about 7 of them now and they're still producing. Very nice. I'll have to do these again next year. And there's always the one, just the clown in the classroom. Look at that. Clown in the classroom, tomato. Just always sort of showing off. These are some more beefsteak tomatoes. And this one here, it's an Italian heirloom which I got from Kevin Bradley. And there it is. It's quite an enormous tomato. You see, that might be about £1 or something like that. Enormous! So I look forward to that getting mature. Hopefully it will.